wherever you may be, if you are seeking for the fruit of the womb, receive it, receive it, receive it, receive it. If you are in need of visa, receive it, receive it, receive it in Jesus Christ's powerful name. It is well.
Onyame ba nyame onshira on kan ho pa on say ma din kan nan so akire on the 11th July me pa chaw eye china anopa na ye saa sore e wo Accra Madina Abuku.
Yo, your friend me Isaac Apia, if you have Kenya say. Last year, me for the 2 years in na me time me started say me two kwan e amanone. Na me ye process ni bia na normal delay. Na sela no mani ti mitona moba Ogyaba ahemfi ebeka akwantu asem che me ka che na pen was time on so into ko kwaju sika na nipa kro no kra sika no for the wonya kwani sika ni business kra ti kwaju wa de na me fe nipa no na me ji sika no am sa bai enti last year na papa ka che me sa fe na wo bre no aso December no and so catch him say brass into cockwaji way na the static process na nyamiado in Saka. In Mohan man, then Yamiase, Canada visa, working permits in our account, working permits in our account, and Pacho, and then I made HD in need to be a Musha Medina Bomono, be a command. The American say, the Yamiase, Namonswam work which they are, Motimin Kenyano. Say what the work I went to the vessel say, Bla Ogyaba himfi, and Bobona man. Say, Quamu da Harbor Council, say Quamuna also the council. The Quamuna, what do you see? They say, Brenna so the idea that I fit. Ain't he? The young one says, said any fancy, many communication on near you. I mean, him said, you told it too. But then one say, Papa catch them and I'm a friendly panel. Na beginning na or yeah, me born hanya krebino. Na feed them who say, why am I? No, na as I say, I feed they were nature. I know Obusam say, or kind of Obusam say, hey, now call, and I'm say, Papa, Ogyaba him feed I'm a buyer or kind of patch. It's me the Yabiase. With the Yabiase. Then you pass over. Because who say you can't put us out yet? Papa, going a bit of fun every Friday. I was asking me some fun about Japan on the class. Oh, problem. And then, one will practice here. One was who problem. Well, who no creno, no, I can't share them. Agents na me oka say oh you ho no oh yes I did higher it so ka ka beginning na ma na so baba wo fa no ho no ma bibi ehuru now me da nya me ase say nya me na papa so ama no saka akwa pa chwane me free ha no mu nyamboa acha free Ghana me da nya me ase enti me wife Emina Shure, a crowd say, a fan of a nation, a cook. And no more, me bana, me more petiana, so more. Yeah, you didn't know. Indeed, no. If you're a channel committee grave, into background say, because what you watching here, dear, as a walla.
Now, me person we ain't sure that we get that young for 40 years. And I mess up the cow say a channel pa. Accra, Madina Abuku. Onhwehwe aboba no taboba ni bi so mbom paye me pa chaw adifo akwankyere eya emfa o theology mba ho because eye honhom na kyere ye de yembe to difo ne ka kyere omo say se nsuo ni yare dia ohia doctor bia monkɔpɛ ayowa ene nkyene fa mbere me ɔmokɔfa baaye ɔde abɔ adwuma ne nsuo ne ho atɔ ɛno nka bibi nkyerɛ sɛ difo yenye nyansasɛm ye wakosua no school na nya no ne yɛde yɛ paakyɛw sɛ wabɔ degrees akɛsɛ wo yas ne thermometer go and sit down because that time we say enye education asɛm koraa paakyɛw enye degrees asɛm nemum eye degree. You are here to decree. Then you declare something will happen.
Me who daddy wo TikTok na bibi catcher me say membra because me chia bre na me buy na daddy catcher me say me tu kwan na obi so obeboa me no kre nipa no o aye so obeye onye enso nde daddy ahye me kom say me tu kwan intino me bompa say metu kwan na me de madansi die aba
country be na pesoko
pa show US
yanko attachment ya. When I look at your direction, I saw someone running away with a crown. And the person wanted to run away with your crown. But I'm seeing the angel working with me right now. Just chase the person and just let the crown brought it back to you. And God said, you have been praying, but you don't see any breakthrough. But today will be the end of it all.
Yes,
and I am seeing someone who has to connect with you from abroad. And the person is on and off, always switching mood. It's true. Now, the main reason why I am praying for you is that your crown was being stolen, but right now you are possessing it. So from today, anyone who has to connect with you and the person doesn't want to do, you are going to experience reconnection. You are going to experience reconnection.
Yes.
Receive it.
I receive it.
Vampire man, sing.
When power is at work, and you have been out with theology that today your life will never be the same. But you have the power and never yet you. And yet, channel part, Rabbi Shio the blue for. Let Jesus Christ one famous now one wow. Maybe I will be here to make go say them so. Oba Fabon Payam, and will be Ankasa. Oba Fabon Payam, and rather whom is sim so pet. No point to our catchers as original. Say no Radisia.
Dama, Jawanaso,
Be on your feet.
Me will say what Pierre our compound be so.
I saw you coming out from a compound.
Or be our compound in the solo.
When it came out,
Now Okuta, a year chance,
I saw you holding a plate,
and I yashe Sikawaso.
and on it I saw money packed on the
Me
plate.
will say, oh, be a Pierre now Wababe Jinan.
I saw someone coming out, standing before you.
Nipana Wababe Jinan.
The one that stood before you,
Or see a friend Adjoa Esther.
she said her name is Ogyaba Esther.
And I'm confirm me who say,
And all of a sudden I
May
saw
I see can walk me no the ama Adjoa Esther.
you have taken 2 bucks of the money to Ogyaba Esther,
Or we and walk a chance on Fanko Juma.
and you told her to go and work with that money.
Who say what done in a Hona walk?
I saw her left,
Walk on no share when young could see a friend Ato.
and she met your friend Ato.
Ato so you fitted.
She's a fitter,
And walk out Ato say one of this man.
and she told Ato that you gave her the money.
Me who ya say obi switch na wa wo tie nkomoni bi.
I saw another person listening to the
Ni
conversation.
fa kwa number 3 bi ko ufie.
The person came into your house,
Akwaka say when you sika na otete man
and
kofo.
you are giving the money to people.
Me who so oba bi asori.
And I saw a certain woman
Oso
rose
ode
up,
ne sabo ne boka say bra ya bra wo hu yi.
and she hit her chest saying,
When you sika abonte na ade ko.
you have gotten money and you are giving it to
Any onu
outsiders.
akasa be kwa report o am ye wadi wadi.
Then the woman said she will go and report you so
Me
that
who
they
say
sack
say
you
dia
from
wo
your
ba na kwa
workplace.
adwuma bi me OB mining company.
So I saw OB Mining Company,
Na me who say oba ne kwa wo no.
and I saw the woman going to that
Obo
company.
wura wo bi mu eka kire nipa kro ne say abrantie we say mu yi na di.
And she entered into someone, and the person said, "We should sack you
because
from that place." They have went there to lie on you.
So they have lied against you.
They have lied against you.
And this is what we call impending prophecy. And so if we don't pray for our brother, it's left with few months. There will be a confusion at the workplace. And I'm seeing them canceling a name like Samson and Coma or something. And God said we should pray for you. As you are now standing under the sound of my voice.
Yes, Lord.
No weapon fashioned against you shall ever prosper. Amen. No weapon fashioned against you shall ever prosper. What's it say?
But your media and again also no. Madam for buy na also go school or mama ni bi. So buy me one na. O say ni school fees bi. Nti membo no.
Ana o man is sika.
Ana me man is sika. O say sika no kra no. O pese o di o go school mo no the business na wonya kakra say the school fees bi obetimi atua. Ana me de man no so fan koye. To o koye no tonton plate ma girls no. Ana o twa kra no de be send me say enema no me de sika no man no o tonton e ni kra ni. To otoma no ono na school for o ko nursing training.
Enti asem na ko pie wo fie spiritual. O ma ye meeting say ye be yi wadi. But omu re from say adwuma na nkasa na me na me panyi wo.
The thing as the chairman general.
Ye mbrado di for kind no so ha no.
Asemu
won poma say won wo so.
Asemu odi for kind de me kan pepe.
Ye kan.
Me ko na me say bi again wo ye me boni bi ntinu. First one me coach na water no wo ka say oba bia e made nti obeka ya dem a me hunu no. Ti na me ti o na me ye wo ye den.
So.
Se me say bia na ono am kofo bia obedi me aburo bi ntinu. Nti papa ka sa no. Asemu am ka pepe eno anso na o ye den.
Kan
ye. Nti me dia me Samson na konkruma kwa me yam gina hayi. Papa me nya na chi di da. De wa ya ma me ne nsem wo.
Awurade afa no so ayama won. Na wo tre de awurade afa no so ayama won.
Aja
kan sama me.
De awurade afa no so ayama me. Oh me nya na chi di da. Ba bia me tu bi oni matisa bofo no. Me so de menya bia so no. Mama kura no a.
De be send.
Me de send no.
Na go the adwuma na te say we go do na we
ye good.
Enu nye go kam ma oyi ma me sisi a.
Go there to.
Me se wo pe ba ma yenhia. Wo pe adwuma ma yenhia. Akwantuo ma yenhia. E bia na wo pe promotion sister. Wo kira ho a wa brought to say tie. And so be bia akura musa say whether you are for sale or you are for lease. Be bia baba wa akwa bia no waja wasi ho. Obi nhia me sister yo abo ne hene so papa ni o man ko ye kura o nam se adai wo busua panyina wasi da bi. Adai o say pan be bia me ne no menye ne hwe so say ma me friend ni bi nam se sister e mo hwene bi wo da najo a be bi ba no baba beda na be ma no wa yese boda wasi Jesus si be o de ti asori bi mu na mo to him si kire no wo so da ye boni we wo so da ye boni da ye fun say se boda for ba na dwe na wo beda wo da ye wo de ahye wo ho e de to him. Hey sister all about that bo ma yenhia chena
ye frame me Douglas Money me ye dwuma working as expert operator na be free flight mu say me ba off no be free flight mu see ya e na machi agi metwi in fact anyonko no class me ya banka krankra na de ka be fa me na me call hospital koda me call hotel ti ade achi ye no na still men je kura anti ambulance kura na ede e be fa me e de me call hospital say me ntwa ne shorter doctor ne fi me call MRI machine mu ni ade nyina na che say say operation na omo ye dey omo ye me afi na fi pressure so free adwuma because adwuma no omo ndi me ho abro afi na pressure ne fi adwuma mu say me kokoyi operation no so na me stretch kakra ti me ba fi en ba na me wife dey ni TV ato Ogyaba TV na wo hwe no hwe mpo me say wo de wo na asofu ya be ya o agragra no so da hebi nti me hwe ya in fact na ne ekoso no na me hu say ene na esese me ko hu odifo because otumika obi na sema e wanim ne ebe ye di nyina ene na ese me so ko hu odifo enti metu anamon de bae me bae no bedi so dru me so no am wura dem ho no me dru ho ano se Douglas Money why you lucky say waba ha enedue afi na me hwehwe mata dem say bia me ba jibi bo ba bia me hwehwe afi me mata de se me so me ba jibi ba bia me da no tumi bo me dis na me transe ti me transe ano se krache enne why you lucky so waba be pie ha se ne wa me pie ha na pressure ewo adwuma mu no ma awokoye dam operation na utra we usisi yese kokoye operation se ukoye operation na bi huwo Douglas Money se utihwi cheyem utihwi cheyem a why operation a wan sorry bio ndisisi a anka se nye papa ya Ewurade nam no so ehunwe eka kire me a anka metena he anka sisi a metihwi cheyem mitimi nantibio na me nantibo ne zin na me den mahwe me yire ne memba me so me ne obi akafra adwuma etie so me ye yi kakra na sese me na metia panyam na nka me ye den enti me de me ka kire papa Ogyaba ene na sorema ne na sofo abo ha se aseda enika bia ena me de ma ono ene ne Nyankopon wa hwe me so amasa amri ene bitumi gina me na so esori gina amda mente me sa sori gina me ya kwantre ni wie no bi chese sese me gina ho no mo me gina me na so sei anka sese nka me tefi che enti asida edika bia se bi so sene na ase a me de material po Onyankopon ene wo papa Ogyaba ene wama meti de meti che me de emema mu ofie me de me ye chinyi defo pa me ye elder ewa asorim me ye elder ewa asorim enso ne yeto me no me papa eka bibi efa ho na me hwe ne anwoma so kwa na ese me tu ho anamo me baaye no so ene me ne o enti motifie na se mo gi achinya in fact se Dr. Ogyaba the State Seer nia nadwuma yetie no se wa nhwe ne no ama wani ana ho pa wa dwen mu be ye o se setup because ensem no akase no de we esi bi wa nhwe ne pa wo be ka se setup nanso me tia na mo na me ba ye no mi wura ho no mo Douglas Money papa e je se ne ye hwe ye no kre but because obia ka hwe anja me ko me late etimi na mu kem za mbese kwatase enti enuanom amofi wo problem a tuanamo eko Ogyaba awa Accra anase Antosu Eputreja me de sese no efiri sa kam no de maye ne se enipa a wotumi ka ensem a edienim eba no me de asonda bia program bia mekobi just there me pese ohumanim keke because ohumanim mpo na wanfra me wanya hwe a anase o ya de ma obi no obi dinda dam de sika kakra mpo kwoto ne na ase a na ohumia na kire se minim se ade boni bia endi manim a eba because ade boni bia di manim oba obehu aka kire me ansa na madam ani kura free asorobo enti me wa me ntra ho ncha say no wa na me de bebusuafo nyina na hu ne aba asore yaba me patcho Ghana me watakwa patcho takwa phone pa frame Douglas Money me money Mr. Money no bia de mami de frame me a transport business kakra me wife for provision store am some wife for brand your aba odo so aba se de ye fie ni ye fie ni
Mishia man bi na ye Thanksgiving, national Thanksgiving, or chairman say papa, and your man ko ye hwe me gina he o be ka se me ye adwuma wo bank and so de me die kra papa woman mi bi kra meje and so bani wo da ye bi a wo ta so wo be so da ye na at school dem was Jesus was so da ye no was so sa da ye na 11 years ni no ye adwuma wo company kase bi mu ye yi na di no sha ase so sa da wa so abetu se wo da ho ti school dem enti enkofo awie school no nde da yi boda ho ko abiti me to nsafro say ɛnneɛma bi kyerɛ wo so mepatwɔ wei ɛnyɛ fa da adwuma adom akyɛdeɛ no gu ahodoɔ 5-fold ministry no memedi me laa mu o wate sɛ mafrɛ sɛ bra na memmɔ mass ɛnkyerɛ wo anaa memmɔ science wate sɛ maka kyerɛ sɛ bra na woba mba bɛyɛ mo Mary full of grace mepatwɔ Rome hɔ no menkɔɔ hɔ da memmedeɛ ne sɛ meyɛ diifoɔ meyɛ wɔdehurufoɔ bra ne yɛnhyia na yɛnkyerɛ wo sɛ Nyankopɔn tumi adeɛ nyinaa yɛ ɛka obi ne nyansa wɔ mu sɛ Awurade yɛhyia kyena nɔpa na ɛkyena nɔpa woba a fa wo gyidie bra na hunu sɛ Jesus Christ ɔno ne Awurade woba a ma ɔdehurufoɔ ne kwan na menkasa me ne yɛfrɛ me Dr. Ogyaba Macau.